So welcome to my channel friends. Today we are going to learn basic strokes of modern calligraphy with pencil. You can see I have drawn the basic strokes of modern calligraphy with pencil, and firstly I am going to introduce you with these basic strokes. So first basic stroke is upstroke. The second is downstroke, overturn, underturn, compound turn, ascending loop, descending loop, and oval. And these are 8 basic strokes of modern calligraphy that we are going to learn today. Now for this, I am going to use these 3 pencils that are easily available at your home. First of all, I am going to draw it with this pencil. See, for the upstroke, you should keep it in mind that you don't have to put pressure on your pencil so that you can draw thinner line and light. See, this is our upstroke. Now I am going to draw it with next pencil. And third pencil. So these are upstrokes. Now we are going to learn downstrokes. For the downstroke, you should keep it in mind you have to put pressure on your pencil so that you can draw thicker line than upstroke. Okay? Like this, see. See how beautifully downstroke has drawn. Now I am going to use this pencil. Today I have used line paper because first of all we have to practice on line paper so that we can practice it well, and then we can start on our plain sheet. So we are done with our downstrokes. Now we are going to draw overturn. For drawing overturn, first of all we have to draw an upstroke, then downstroke. See how to draw it. For this I am using this pencil firstly. This is upstroke and then downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Now I am going to use this pencil. Upstroke, downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Now these are overturn. Now we are going to draw underturn. For drawing underturn, first of all we have to draw a downstroke and then upstroke. See, downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. Okay? Downstroke, then downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. See how beautifully we have drawn the 4 basic strokes of modern calligraphy. Now we are going to draw compound turn. For compound turn, First of all, we have to draw a overturn, then underturn. Overturn, then underturn. See. First of all, we draw overturn. Now we draw underturn. See how beautifully we are drawing. Now we are done with our compound term. Now we are going to draw ascending loop. For ascending loop, first of all we will draw upstroke, then downstroke. See, this is our upstroke, then downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. Upstroke, then downstroke. So we are done with our ascending loop. Now we are going to draw descending loop. For that, first of all we have to draw and downstroke, then upstroke. See, downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. Downstroke, then upstroke. See how beautifully we have drawn. Now we are done with our descending loop. Now we are going to draw an oval. For oval, first of all we have to draw an dot here. Middle of the line we have to draw a dot, so that we can start from here. From here we start upstroke, then downstroke, then upstroke. See our oval. Then dot, upstroke, then downstroke, then upstroke. Dot, upstroke, downstroke, oval. Now we are drawing it without dot. See, we are done with our oval and we have learned these basic strokes with pencil. I have tell you before also that you can use any pencil for the modern calligraphy and learn basic strokes with it. For upstroke, use it lightly. For downstroke, heavy it. Always remember in the modern calligraphy that thin up and thick down. Okay? Now we are done with our basic strokes of modern calligraphy with pencil. In my next video, I will teach you the basic strokes of modern calligraphy with bold marker that is easily available at our homes. So friends, thank you for watching my video and wait for my next video.